Hi everyone, I'm reading the Grade 3 Reading Comprehension for Social Studies, Pioneer Farm, Spring and Summer. So here we have it. Maybe it looks a little bit similar, a little bit different than what our modern day farming looks like in a lot of our communities. So Pioneer Farm, Spring and Summer. Spring. Pioneer farmers look forward to spring after a long, cold winter. One of the first jobs in spring was to make maple syrup and maple sugar. These were made from the sap inside sugar maple trees. Farmers waited for all the snow in the fields to melt. When the soil was dry, it was time to get ready to plant. Farmers used horses to pull the heavy plow over the fields. The plow broke up the hard soil. Then the farmers planted the seeds. Spring was also time to clip the wool off the sheep. This was called shearing the sheep. The wool was used to make warm clothes. Summer. Farmers watched their crops grow in the field. All summer long, they pulled the weeds so the crops would grow better. Most farmers grew hay in some fields. They needed hay to feed their horses, cows, and sheep during the winter. Farmers waited for hot, dry weather to harvest the hay. They wanted the hay to dry out in the sun before they stored it away in the barn. Summer was also the time to pick fruits and vegetables. Some fruits and vegetables were kept to eat during the winter. To keep fruits from spoiling, people dried them. Fruits were also stewed or cooked in water and a little bit of sugar and stored in jars. Vegetables were put in jars that contained salt and vinegar. That way, they could last through the winter. Jars of fruits and vegetables were stored in a hole in the ground called a root cellar. The root cellar kept the food from freezing in the winter and kept the food cool during the warmer months. And here we have a picture of a farmer who looks like they're tilling the farmland with their horse and the plow. Here we have our questions to think about. Why were sugar maple trees important to pioneer farmers? That's number 1. Number 2, soil can get hard when it dries out in spring. Plants do not grow well in hard soil. How did the farmers get the soil ready for planting seeds? Number 3, what kind of weather was best for harvesting hay? Tell why. Number 4, a barn kept animals warm in the winter. What was another reason why farmers needed a barn? Number 5, how did pioneers keep fruits and vegetables from spoiling during the winter? And number 6, what was the purpose of a root cellar? So all these questions can be found in our text. Some of them we need to use our schema, some information we already know, and connect the information to the text with what we already know to help us answer the question and explain our thinking. So go back to this text. Also, you can look through this video and start and pause wherever you like to help you out. And I also posted a video for how to use Google Read and Write if it wants to help you that way. I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.